Welcome to our lesson on equivalent fractions. In this lesson, we'll learn how to find equivalent fractions using both simplifying a given fraction to its simplest form and also generating equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator and denominator by the same number. Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value or represent the same part of the whole, even if their numerators and denominators are different. For example, 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. Let's look at the fraction 8 over 24 and find its equivalent by simplifying. To simplify 8 over 24, we'll divide both the numerator and denominator by their greatest common factor, or GCF, which is the largest integer that evenly divides both. Now, let's proceed to find the GCF of 8 and 24. The greatest common factor of 8 and 24 is 8, since it's the largest number that both can be divided by. So, we divide both 8 and 24 by 8 to simplify the fraction. Dividing 8 by 8 gives us 1, and dividing 24 by 8 gives us 3. Therefore, the simplified form of 8 over 24 is 1/3. Now, let's find other equivalent fractions for 1/3 by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by the same number. This will yield a fraction that is different in appearance but equivalent in value. If we multiply both the numerator and denominator of 1/3 by 2, we'll get 2/6. By multiplying both by 3, we get 3 over 9. Similarly, multiplying by 4, we get 4 over 12. These fractions are all equivalent to 1/3. As long as we apply the same operation, whether multiplying or dividing an integer, to both the numerator and the denominator, the fraction remains equivalent. Understanding equivalent fractions can help simplify problems involving fractions.